You're wasting time with boring tools and overpriced software when Canva is sitting right there, ready to help you create whiteboard animations that look like they were made by a pro. No more excuses. No more "I can't animate" nonsense. You've got the power to create stunning, eye-grabbing whiteboard videos for free and you're not using it? That ends today. So smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on the bell. Because I'm about to unlock a skill that'll level up your content game for life. Let's go.
Once you log into your Canva, you would like to choose YouTube thumbnail. Now once it opens up, go to Element and search for whiteboard. And then include sketch drawing. And then hit enter. Now you would like to go to graphics. Then you select a suitable whiteboard of your choice. For me, I will go with this one right here. So I'll click on it to add page. And then I will extend it to the size of my choice. Something like this. I'll delete this one. Now you can go back to Element and type whatever element you want to add to your whiteboard or your animation. All right, I will come back to Element and search for fruits, and I will add sketch drawing. All right, I would like to choose this one right here, and I will add to this page. I'll reduce it a little bit to fit, and then I will position it somewhere like this. Then you can go back and search for any fruit of your choice, and then make sure you are adding this sketch drawing so that you can have your images in sketched form. Now I will go ahead and add this one here. Then I'll reduce the size to fit, something like that. Let me select something like this, and then I'll add it to page, and then I'll reduce it to fit. You have to be creative with this thing. I'm just doing this for the purpose of this video, but you can do this for business, you can do this for health, you can do this in any sector at all. Right, you can go ahead and search for another fruit of your choice. Sorry, let's say orange. Sketch drawing. Make sure you're on graphics, and then you can search or pick any orange of your choice. There are so many of them that you can choose from, so you can select any one of your choice and then you add it there. Let me make this a little bit bigger. Yes, so I'll move this one up here. I'll reposition this one here, then I'll move this, and then I'll reduce the size of this one. You just have to be creative with your ideas. Then I want to add a text, so I'll click on this and I will type eat fruit daily. So I'll position it up here, and then if you want you can give it a new font. All right, let me add something like comic font. Also I will add something like this: eat fruit every day. So if you want you can add color to the text by coming here and selecting any color of your choice. All right, but I'm not going to add any color to it. I will leave it this way. So I'll go back to Element and search for something like a doctor sketch drawing. Make sure you're on graphics, and then you can select any one of your choice and you add it to the page. Right, something like this, but it's looking transparent. So you may like to use another image that is not transparent. All right, by coming to photos, you may find a picture here that is not transparent, but I'll just leave it. I don't want this video to be long. So like this, you are done. You can add element as much as you want. All right, you just have to be creative with it. Then once you are done, click on share and then click on download. You can download it as PNG. By the way, if you don't have Canva Pro, just follow me and comment right into the comment section Canva Pro, and I'm going to give you free, and it is totally free of charge. Once you are done exporting the image to your computer, go back to Canva homepage and then select YouTube thumbnail again. And then go over to your apps by scrolling your left hand side, click on apps and then search for speed pointer. Speed painter. This is the speed painter right here, so you click on it. It will take some time to load, so you have to wait a little bit. Then you upload the file you downloaded from Canva, the particular one you designed that time, so you have to look for it. This is the file right here. I did not save it with a name, so I'll just click on open, and you make sure you select your seconds here. For me, I will select 10 seconds, then leave this color field so that any image with color will be filled. Then color field duration, I also choose 10 seconds, and then you have to leave this one like this. Just leave all these ones this way, and then go ahead and click on generate. You have to give it some time. It will take 1 or 2 minutes to generate. Then we'll see the result. Like I said, if you don't have Canva Pro, like this video and make sure you're following me, and then type in the comment section Canva Pro, and I will give you totally free of charge, and it's for a lifetime. Then you click on add design, and this whole thing will be added to this page here. So what you have to do is just position it very well like this, and then you expand it, and this is a video right here. It is as simple as this. All right, so you can add other scenes, or you can add other pages by clicking on add to page. So you can decide to change the way this thing is looking. You click on add to page and you click here add page, then you go back to apps again, you search for that speed painter, and then if you have so many scenes or designs you created, you keep uploading and then you generate. Then you can go back to a video editing tool like CapCut or InShot, combine all these videos together, add voiceover, and like that you are done. If you like this video, kindly like and share it so that more people can see it, and then subscribe to my channel so that it will encourage me.